everyone. In this video, we will discuss one of the methods to metal casting that is widely used in manufacturing industry, die casting. Die casting is a process in metal casting where a molten metal is injected to permanent mold with high pressure. Different with the conventional casting like sand casting, which use a sand mold that can only be used once. In die casting, the mold that is used is made from a special steel that makes it reusable in a big production. This method is very popular in automotive industry, electronic, and household appliance because it is able to produce a high precision, smooth surface product in a relatively fast production time. In general, die casting is a process of forming molten metal into a specific shape by pressing it into a mold cavity using high pressure and high speed. After the metal solidifies, the mold is opened and the product is removed. This high pressure is the main characteristic of die casting. The pressure used can reach tens to hundreds of megapascals. With these pressures, molten metal can fill the entire mold cavity, including thin and complex parts. Metals commonly used in this process are non-ferrous metals, such as aluminum, zinc, magnesium, and copper. Aluminum is one of the most frequently used material because it is lightweight, corrosion resistant, and has good mechanical properties. The die casting process consists of several main stages. First, the mold or dies are heated and lubricated so that the metal does not stick. Second, the metal is melted in a furnace until it reaches its melting point. Third, the molten metal is injected into the mold cavity using a piston or plunger system with high pressure. Fourth, the metal is allowed to solidify inside the mold, and the mold is opened and the product is removed using an ejector pin. Last step, finishing process such as cutting off excess or runners are performed. This process occurs very quickly, even within seconds for a single production cycle. That is why this method is highly suitable for mass production. Die casting is divided into two main types, namely hot chamber die casting and cold chamber die casting. In hot chamber die casting, the injection chamber is in the same system as the melting furnace. Molten metal is injected directly from inside the machine. This method is usually used for metals with low melting point, such as zinc and magnesium. The advantage is a faster production cycle. In cold chamber die casting, the metal is melted outside the machine, then poured into the injection chamber before being pressed into the mold. This method is typically used for aluminum because it has a higher melting point. Although the cycle is slightly slower than hot chamber die casting, this method is safer for high temperature metal. A die casting machine consists of several main components. First, die or mold, which are usually made of heat-resistant and high-pressure tool steel. Second, the injection system, which functions to push molten metal into the mold. Third, the clamping unit, which keeps the mold closed during the injection process to prevent molten metal leakage. Fourth, the ejector system, which pushes the product out of the mold after the solidification process is complete. All these components work together in an integrated manner in an efficient production cycle. The die casting method has several advantages over other casting methods. First, it is capable of producing products with precise dimension and tight tolerance. Second, the cast surface is relatively smooth, reducing the need for additional finishing process. Third, it is suitable for mass production due to its fast cycle time. Fourth, It is capable of producing complex shapes with thin walls. In addition, the mechanical properties of die casting products are generally better than sand casting because the solidification process occurs under pressure. This method also has several disadvantages. The initial cost of mold manufacturing is very high because it uses special steel and precision machining process. In addition, this method is not economical for small-scale production. Die casting also tends to produce internal porosity due to air trap during the injection process, make it unsuitable for components that require further heat treatment. Die casting is widely used in the automotive industry to manufacture engine blocks, transmission housings, wheels, and various lightweight structural components. In the electronics industry, this method is used to manufacture laptop casings, heatsinks, and electronic device frames. In household appliance, die casting is used for components such as door handles, fan frames, and washing machine components. Current technological developments are also driving the use of die casting in the electric vehicle industry due to the increasing demand for lightweight aluminum components. In conclusion, die casting is a metal casting method that uses high pressure with permanent molds to produce high precision products with smooth surface, making it suitable for mass production. Although it has high initial cost, this method is very efficient and economical for large-scale production. Therefore, die casting has become one of the most important manufacturing processes in modern industry. By understanding its working principle, types, advantage, and disadvantage, we can determine when this method is most appropriate for use in the production process.